So we're on my farm in beautiful St. Elizabeth, the breadbasket parish of Jamaica. Yes, we are known to farm a lot of seasonings such as scallion and thyme, and we're also known for farming a lot of fruits like cantaloupe, melon, pineapples. We also known to grow vegetables such as cabbage, tomato, sweet pepper, you name it, we plant it here in St. Elizabeth. But the red dirt is also great for planting yellow yam. So today we're on my farm in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and we're going to be digging up some yellow yam.
Wow, healthy? Yes.
Healthy, Louis.
Yeah.
I want fat one. The fat yam.
What did?
Yes, Louis. Let me try it. Wow. Yes, man. That me I talk about Louis.
Yeah, really.
How much pound that Louis?
That is 10 pound.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, 10.
Right out of Shanzenzen, Jamaican Vibes Grong. Yam farm. Yeah, man. Wow, you find something, man. You find something regal. Oh, my hand a drop. Oh my goodness. This look like one foot, man. It's a foot. Man, this look pretty. Mm. Mind you start with. No, Louis, you're going with something, man.
Yeah.
We just go over to get the water for you and you're going so good.
Yeah.
Like you dig up 100 pound here, so. My goodness. That one you big in, Louis?
Yeah, massive.
Yeah, I said this boy about 12.
Yeah.
This look like 20.
Alright.
Yes, man, take a commercial break. Video me a video, yes, sir. But that one you split with boss.
Okay. A piece of wood, yeah.
One next week. Yeah, man, one fat piece under there. You break him off, Louis?
Yeah.
More food.
Yeah, that's good, man.
Cover him back.
Fresh plant or a rebeer?
No, man, a freshly plant this.
Okay. So when they hit them swell back, you'll dig them up and replant them? Okay.
Yes, hubby find one here, so again. Yes. Righteous. Nice. Yes. No, go down. Sorry.
I prefer to beg you to plant more big the food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take more callaloo
Yeah, man.
seed, man, and plant up
That's
callaloo.
me. So when I don't have to come on big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Plant up callaloo, enough callaloo.
Yeah.
Me cut some nice callaloo out here still, you know, but some of them get away from me.
Okay.
Ah. Yeah, dig that one here now.
Yeah, man.
Just tear off the whisk. Something under this.
Yeah.
Chop away here stuff to Louis. Yeah, get to the yam. So it look like it did want more space, you know. One small piece.
No, 4 pound piece, I know.
Oh, okay.
Let me look at it. No, you don't, go down.
Do you have a lighter in your pocket?
Nope.
Take time, Louis. Yeah, man, sometimes you have to check on the next side, you know. Man, that one huge, Louis, me not lie you.
Yeah.
Are you dig
One
it
next
up?
one round here.
Oh, okay.
That's a circle him.
No, sir.
If I don't fall like a cry,
Yeah.
you don't go and do anything you're watching.
You see? These are the worms that are eating off me yam. Look how big and fat. Mercy.
These are the yam, man. I want to put dry there, they burned up the yam, man.
Then that, man.
Yeah.
The drought, man.
Yeah,
The drought, a long drought, that, you know.
Yeah, man. Burn them up.
A hit happened to the yam because here what? When me come over here, me see some yam and me I say give 2 weeks and yam I go under there. When me come back and we a check, no yam. One little bump?
I think of how me run from the goal.
Oh.
I'm going to pick up copper.
Oh.
Yeah, you man. You make the money you learn.
Eh?
No, sir.
Ah. Oh, you say up you saw a goal, Louis?
Yeah.
Huh? I'm coming.
He's a good man.
Hold on, Louis, I dig up something. I want to see what it look like.
Yeah. Look real.
Regal. I two of them, you know, like I two is spring two different part. You gone under the wire, D? Huh? Mind you start with. Go and go drink some water and come, man. Yeah, blow too heavy. Louis, find something too. Yo, Louis, find something really. Wow.
Come here.
You get from out of root, Louis. Yeah, broke off me arm. Me I go fight. I'll go back. Oops. Yo, hold on there. Hold it properly so them can see it. Oh my goodness. Then you know what? You know, so this one about 25 pounds.
Yeah.
This is go to the agriculture show, man.
Yep.
Yes, man. That me I talk about. That's what I'm talking about.
I am there, man.
Yep.
I am there a long time too.
Louis, I search for more. Louis see that the big yam.
Come on.
You start one part of it have look a rot. Like you start rotting in a dirt. It big too, you know? Yes.
Alright, ready, go, sir.
There's the blessing thus far.
Shop here, sir.
What happened to that one here? You know, so that one they're not too bad, Louis. Nice, nice.
4 pounds.
Yeah. So the one here was shaped like a foot. Man, now we have some over here. Lots of yam. We have 2 pieces over here to take up. We have a little bump over here. And we still have yam over here. Yam over there. Yeah, man, it looks so good. It's a good look. It's a good look, Louis.
Alright.
Yes. Yeah, dig the hill here.
Yeah, man, this is bad.
You want the juice now? Drink some of the juice, man. Put like a sugar in your body. You're welcome. Yes, see them my people. Whole heap of blessings. Yellow yam. Nice pumpkin same way. Right. We in the first. Let me see how much that 40 pound. 40 pound. What's this one go? Hold on. 38 pounds. But we have to get that one here. May I bring it? That one here look heavier though. 40. 78 pounds. Here. Yes, Louis, for the first dig, we not go on bad.
No, it's not bad.
And the drought did upon it, so we really never expect so much for the first dig. And we don't spend much time through the sun, it's so hot. Yeah, so we have to give God thanks and praise for the blessing. Yeah, 150 pounds of yellow yam. Yes? So, I'm going to give away for giveaway and market what's to market. Right? Yes, I. Do me have some pumpkin seed, I'm going to give you to here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You don't really...
Look at the yellow yam. Yes, my people, my people, my people. That's it right there. Jamaica gold. St. Elizabeth gold this, not Cholani gold. Red dirt gold.
Coarse skin pumpkin.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
Inside rich, Louis.
Yeah, you see how they call it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, may I give you a piece again, Nancy, here?
Okay.
Look at that. This is the second one me picking up since week.
Okay.
My goodness.
Lovely.
And thick.
Yeah.
Pumpkin inside of the pumpkin thick, man. Yeah, whole heap of seed for plant back. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing.